Hey, I'm TV and welcome to our crib. And by crib, I mean research lab. There are many different opportunities to join our lab. I joined in 2015 during my undergrad as a MUSEF student and eventually as a USRA student. And these led into honors projects and grad school. In our group, we do research on porous materials, mainly metal organic frameworks known as Mops. These Mops are made with metals such as zinc, zirconium, copper, and we combine these with our organic linkers. These materials end up having large internal surface areas, to the point where 1 gram can have the same surface area as a football field. To learn more about linkers, let's link up with Mops.
In order to make Mops, we need to make linkers. These linkers can have groups such as carboxylate, azoles, imidazoles, etc. These groups can coordinate into the metal nodes and make the Mop for us. In some cases, we might have functionality on the linker, such as tiles, for applications like sorption of heavy metals. In other cases, you might need to extend the lengths of the linker to make the larger pores and have larger surface area Mops.
With our metal picked, our linkers made, and our mop in hand, how do we know if there's a football field in this powder or if it just passes gas? Well, by using some specialized equipment, our group can measure the amount of gas that goes into these mops, such as nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, or even water vapor. By doing this, we figure out important characteristics of these mops, such as their stability or their surface areas. Now, once we know these, what can we use these mops for? Let's ask Devin if it will help with the smelly roommate down the hall.
Well, Alon, I don't know if mops are going to help you with your stinky roommate down the hall, but they can definitely help you with remediating atmospheric pollution. So in our lab, we use mops for certain applications like storage, separations, and specifically right here, the measuring and creating of atmospheric pollutants. So we test our mops at this station for their ability to remove pollutants like nitrogen oxides, as well as sulfur dioxide. This isn't all that you can do with mops, but this is just a little taste of what we do. So if you want to learn more about Mops, you can go to our research page, which is katzresearchgroup.com, or you can contact our supervisor, Dr. Katz. But that's it for us today, and like Dr. Katz says, back to work.